This is Mahmood, this is Serena.
And we're the numbers guys. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about making money in your business. Across to Mahmood is going to talk you through some stuff.
Thank you very much, Serena. So, primary objective for any business, whether you're a not-for-profit, whether you're a private business, whether you're a solopreneur, however you want to describe yourself, the end objective is making money, i.e. making profit. Without it, you won't sustain yourself, you won't prosper, you won't grow, your business will not be able to deliver the impact you want it to. How you make that money, what you do with that money, the value systems that you have, how you engage, that's a secondary part and important part of the conversation. And if you don't make money, you end up with just a hobby. Thank you very much, hope you found that useful.
Okay guys, so as usual, head over to our website, read the blog, okay? Get on Facebook, LinkedIn, like us, add comments, and more importantly, if you want to make more money, give us a call, see if we can help. Okay guys, till next time, ciao.
Ciao.